So, I wanted to give a little tour of my place. It's not all done decorating, but I probably have most things that I'm going to always have. Uh, as for furniture, at least it's pretty done. Here's the card display, the back of the 64 cards from GaiaCraft. And I have some cards as a privacy screen in the window, and then here's the fronts of the cards. I love that basket so much. And now this is the card fronts here, as you see. And yeah, these rocking chairs from IKEA and rug from IKEA just came in. So it's just really coming together finally. I feel great about it. It's not that big, but it is fine. Love that mirror. And this is a double doors entrance, so you can move big furniture in. Now, here's the kitchen. I didn't even bother to clean up, but I just thought, why not just show the messy kitchen? It usually is messy because I don't have it fully organized yet after moving in. There's my band concert poster, magnets and teas and perfumes and kitchen stuff starting to accumulate. This is a piece of art that is going to be customized into a learning tool for GaiaCraft later, and I'm looking forward to that. So yeah, it's looking really nice so far.